Hey guys, welcome to another full body yoga stretch with Arrive Yoga. Today we're focusing on the entire body, so we're going to do some beautiful twists and turns, mobility, balance. We're going to stretch the legs, stretch the hips, the back, everything. So go ahead and prepare yourself for a full body refresh to get your day started off feeling great. Grab a comfortable place on your mat, and I'll see you soon. Go ahead and bring yourself into a comfortable seated position and just take a moment to notice the space around you. Take a deep breath in, lifting the arms up to the sky, palms together, bring to chest, and take a moment for yourself here. Go ahead, bring the hands to the knees. A few seated cat-cows here. Inhaling in, looking up. Exhale, round out the back, stretching the spine, chin to chest. Inhale in, looking up. And then exhale, start to make circles with the back as you continue with that movement, cat-cow. Incorporating the neck, switching the circle in a different direction. Remember to use the breath here to guide the movement. Releasing the body. Inhale, arms up to the sky, and then twist over to the right. Inhale, arms up. Exhale to the left. Inhale, arms up. Exhale one more time to the right. Inhale, arms up and twist over to the left one last time. Inhale, reaching arms to center, and just go ahead and rotate the wrists, releasing the fingers here, warming up the hands and wrists. Taking a deep breath in, release the hands to the ground. And go ahead and drop your right ear over right shoulder. Couple soft breaths here, rolling the head down and over to the left side. Inhale in. Exhale, releasing over to the right. Exhale down to center, over to the left. Exhale down to center, bringing yourself slowly into a tabletop position. Hands underneath the shoulders. Go ahead and create some wave-like motions with your spine as you follow your breath to cat-cow. Play around with your cat-cow here, making circles with the hips, incorporating the shoulders, the torso, the head. Take this moment to really connect with your body and see what feels good. Maybe turning over the right hand, fingertips pointing towards you. And then over to the left hand, stretching the wrists and the fingers. And then slowly bringing yourself into a downward facing dog. Couple breaths here. Walking out the legs, moving the hips, bend the knees, drop the chest, release the head. Inhaling in, exhaling out. And when you're ready, go ahead and lift your right leg up to the sky, bend the knee, drop it over to the left. Opening up here, square off the shoulders, and go ahead and release the right leg forward, bringing yourself into a high lunge, reaching the arms up to the sky. Deep breath in here. Exhale, twisting over to the right, bring your right hand to the outer left thigh, and left hand reaches back, opening up your chest. Exhale, drop left hand to the ground, right arm to the sky. Inhale, full circle with the hand, feel that stretch in the body, and then exhale, drop down to your hip, left hip touches the ground, and then back up, Right hand onto the ground, bending that right knee. Exhale, three-legged dog, right leg comes up, and just make circles to bring that blood flow back. When you're ready, take left leg up, bend it over to the right. Couple breaths here. And exhale, left leg forward, high lunge, arms to the sky, deep breath in. Exhale, twisting over towards the left. Left hand reaches outer right thigh. Right arm up to the sky. Exhale, release, right hand down, left arm up. Exhale, dropping that right hip down, leaning onto the outer edges of both feet, reaching back up. Left hand to the inner left leg, right arm to the sky, opening up. Inhale back to center, downward facing dog. After you've moved that left leg around a bit, getting that blood flow. And then wave-like motion, roll yourself into a plank and then back into downward facing dog for 3, for 2, for 1. Walking to the top of your mat, release the top of the body. Bringing your hands behind your head, let the arms be heavy, deep stretch in the neck. Inhale, reaching all the way up to standing, arms to the sky. Deep breath in. Exhale, palms together to chest. Namaste. Inhale, right knee comes up and then reaching over to the left side. Right arm reaches over to the left, deep right body stretch here. Couple breaths. Exhale, back to center. Inhale, reaching that right knee bent, left arm to the outer right knee, right arm behind. Deep breath in, reaching both arms up. Exhale, reach down, halfway lift, inhale. Exhale, release. Inhale, reaching all the way back up to standing, arms to the sky. And hands together to chest. When you're ready, left leg comes up. Working your balance, left leg all the way over to the right, left arm to the right, deep body stretch here. Feel free to bring a little smile to your face. Left knee comes up, right hand to the outer left knee, left arm reaches back, soft twist and balance here. Back to center, reaching arms up, exhale, coming all the way down. Bring yourself into a downward facing dog. Then plank pose, chaturanga, reaching the chest forward and up. Coming side to side, looking to the left and to the right. Walking out your downward facing dog, cross that right ankle over the left knee. And then release down. Wave-like motions with the spine. Coming up and down. Both toes are curled. Deep stretch in that right hip. Inhale, exhale down. Take a moment of stillness here to really feel that stretch, micro movements. And then back up, three-legged dog, moving that right leg around, downward facing dog. 1 breath here, and when you're ready, crossing that left leg over right knee. Inhale up, exhale down, wave-like motions with the spine. Picture vertebrae by vertebrae with every breath. Inhaling in beautiful healing energy, exhale. Letting go of what no longer serves you. One more breath here. Exhale, release. Left leg comes up, moving the leg around. Downward facing dog. Go ahead and come horizontal onto your mat. A wide-legged fold here. Halfway lift, fingertips touch the ground. And then exhale, go ahead and walk over to the left leg, squaring off the hips, over to the right leg. Inhale back to center. Interlace the fingers behind you. Inhale, halfway lift straight back. Exhale, bring it down. Hands to follow behind. Deep shoulder stretch. Inhale, halfway lift, come back up. Heel toe your feet a little bit further than hip width apart. Preparing yourself for frog pose. Pushing the inner knees with your elbows, grounding the tailbone. And then go ahead and plant your left palm into the ground, pushing on the left knee, right arm comes up. Exhale over to the other side, deep breath in. One more time each side. Exhale, hand down. Inhale, reaching up. Inhale, one last time to the right. And coming back to center, hands to chest. Go ahead and release yourself into a seated position. Left leg comes out, right leg is bent. And extend the arms up, twist towards the left foot and release. Switching over, right hand reaches back, open left arm, lifting the hips, exhale down, bending over the left leg, reaching that left arm around back. Inhale once more, opening up the chest, opening up the hips, exhale back down. Switch the legs, right leg out, left leg bent. Inhale up, twist to the right, exhale, bend it down. Inhale, walk left hand behind, right arm up, open up the chest, the hips. Exhale, come back down towards the right leg. Inhale one last time, deep breath. Opening up your heart. And exhale, back down. One breath here, exhale, release. Roll slowly back up, extending both legs out, wide-legged fold. Take a moment to adjust here. Inhale, go ahead and lean that left arm down, pushing against the inner thigh, opening up the chest, right arm to the sky, lean over to the left. Other side, deep breath, exhale. Bring your gaze to look up towards the sky, opening up the chest. Go ahead and bring yourself onto your back, knees close together, legs straight. Imagine you're pushing the sky, the ceiling away from you. Just go ahead and move the legs around a bit here, whatever is needed. And then extend the left leg out and grab the outer edge of your right foot, half happy baby pose. Reaching that right knee down towards the ground. Go ahead and switch. Right leg comes out, straight into the ground. Exhaling out. Go ahead and bring both knees in, wide apart, hands over to the knees. Then let the legs drop forward. Knees together to chest, deep breath in. Both knees over to the left. Right arm out to the side, shoulders down into the ground. Release the body here. Inhale, center, and then over to the right. Feel free to straighten that top leg if that feels good, or just keep both legs bent. Whatever feels best for you today. One more time, over to the left. And one last time, over to the right. See if you can go deeper into the twist. Inhale, center, bringing the knees hip width apart, feet mat width apart, and then just drop both knees to the left and then to the right. Go ahead and stretch the back of the legs as you slowly roll yourself back into a seated position. Inhale, arms up to the sky. We're going to do a short meditation here, just to create the energy you want to take throughout your day today. Bringing the hands to the heart, Deep breath in, noticing how you feel in the body without passing judgment. Release the hands down to the knees, palms facing up, ready to receive what today has to offer. Taking a moment to thank yourself for taking the time today to take care of you, take care of your body, to fill yourself up with nourishment. I thank you so much for practicing with me today, and I hope to see you again soon.